Shenzhen Merlin Living Decorated Word Company Limited was established in 2013. Our hold factory is located in Chaozhou, Guangdong, the porcelain capital of China. Our skilled workers have more than 20 years of industry experience. In the design capital of China, there are also offline stores in Shenzhen to receive customers from all over the world. We mainly produce ceramic home decoration. The main processes include 3D printing, art stone, hand-painted, pure handmade, and other ceramics. In addition, we cover metal, marble, glass, PU, fabric, wood, as well as flower pots, artificial flowers, and decorative accessories. 8,000 plus product styles. We are also a long-term cooperative factory with Fortune 500 companies. We have rich overseas market sales experience, a ceramic crafts factory covering an area of 8,500 plus square meters, a large warehouse, and a huge inventory. Provide mixed container services for global customers. We provide one-to-one design and multiple types to support customers in trial orders and opening new stores. 1,400 square meters of exhibition hall displaying thousands of products. At the same time, we are looking for potential exclusive agents in different countries who will share our inventory. Existing items are shipped quickly in 7 to 15 days. Our strong design team gives us the ability to provide new designs every month. We adhere to the purpose of making everyone's life better, just like our slogan, Better Merlin for Better Life. We look forward to your attention.